For other states without Malay rulers and federal territories, Article 3, Clause 2 of the Federal Constitution stated that the YDPA is the head of Islam in his own state, federal territories of Kuala Lumpur, Labuan, Sabah, Sarawak, Penang, Malacca and Putrajaya. As the head of religion of Islam, the YDPA and Malay rulers have the power to appoint or establish the three independent authorities in their respective territories. First, Religious Council, or we can call as Majlis Agama Islam. Second is Council. Salah lagi. Secondly, boleh ke? Second, Mufti. And the third one is Syariah Courts. Religious Council is responsible for matters concerning the religion of Islam, and Majlis Agama Islam is under the authority of the head of the religion of Islam. There are 13 Majlis Agama Islam in all 13 states and one for 3 federal territories. The total number of Majlis Agama Islam in Malaysia is 14. Mufti. Every state have a mufti who is appointed by the head of religion of Islam. Muftis are the religious advisors to the YDPA and Malay rulers. They have the authority and qualification to issue fatwas on current issues. Muftis lead the department of Mufti, and in respect of federal territories, Mufti is appointed by the YDPA on the advice of the minister. And this is stated in Section 31, Clause 1 of the Act, which is the Yang di-Pertuan Agong may, on the advice of minister, after consulting the council, appoint fit and proper persons to be the Mufti and Deputy Mufti for the federal territories.
Dr. Fatin, I'm a little bit curious and interested about the function of Mufti. Could you please explain what is the function of the Mufti?
Okay, the function of Mufti. Mufti, with a specific reference to administration of Islamic law, play important roles in the administration of Islamic law, which is the first one is to assist and give advice to the YDPA with regard to Islamic law. This is clearly set for in Section 32, Clause 1 of the enactment. The Mufti shall aid and advise the Yang di-Pertuan Agong in respect of all matters of Islamic law, and in all such matters shall be the chief authority in the federal territories after the Yang di-Pertuan Agong, except where otherwise provided in this Act. Secondly, to give fatwa on any issue raised to him relating to any Islamic law which needs to be decided. Fatwa is a legal opinion or ruling on a matter of Islamic law issued by an Islamic scholar known as Mufti. Third, to study or to conduct necessary research prior to the issuance of any fatwa as specified in Section 32, Clause 6 of the Act, which is before the Mufti makes a fatwa, he may cause such studies or research to be conducted, as he may direct and a working paper prepared. And lastly, fourth, to amend, modify or revoke any fatwa issued earlier as stated in Section 36 of the Act, which reads, the Mufti may revoke, modify or amend any fatwa that has been issued earlier by him or by any previous Mufti. And the third independent authorities that they have been appointed by the YDPA or Malay rulers, Syariah courts. Syariah courts are established by the state legislatures. However, Syariah courts in the federal territories are established by the Parliament by virtue of Item 6 of the Federal List. Syariah courts are responsible to administer justice relating to Islamic law. Syariah courts have the jurisdiction only over Muslims and also within their respective boundaries. Syariah courts are conferred both with civil and criminal jurisdiction. The structure of Syariah court, Syariah Appeal Court, Syariah High Court, and the Syariah Subordinate Court. Thank you.
Thanks, Dr. Thank you, Dr. Fatin. Now, Dr. Hafiza, since all of us already know the general concept of Islamic State and administration of Islamic law in Malaysia, I want to ask a question. Is Malaysia is a secular state? Please give your opinion in order to determine whether Malaysia is an Islamic state or not.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to say thank you for inviting me to this program today. Back to the question. I want to say yes. Malaysia is a secular state according to the historical constitution and historical documents prove that Islam is only the official religion and this federation is not an Islamic state. If you refer to the historical constitution and documents such as London Conference 1957, the white paper on the constitution proposal for Federation of Malaya, later written by Colonial Secretary Lennox Boyd to Lord Reid, prove that Islam is the official religion only and this federation is not an Islamic state. In the previous case law, such as the Sheikh Omar bin Saw against Public Prosecutor 1988 and Teo Eng Huat against Kadi of Pasir Mas Kelantan 1990, show that Malaysia is a secular state based on the judge decision. So, based on the evidence, I can conclude that Malaysia is a secular state.